Hi, Karen from EdibleWildFood.com here. And this morning I am working with my cattails that I gathered last night to keep them fresh. I kept them in cold water overnight. And I really didn't gather many, probably only 10 at the most. And what these will be transformed into, this will be soup and rice. This part of the cattails will be pickles. I'm going to give it a shot at roasting these to see how they turn out. And I'm going to have to gather a fair bit more root, but I want to turn this into starch that I can use to thicken soups and other goods. So this is the root. And I like to just keep this as it looks kind of nice. And ultimately what I will probably do with those is break them down and dehydrate them. So, time to get busy in the kitchen. I'm back, and my preparation table has now been turned into my dining table. Although there's a significant amount of food here, I certainly can't eat all this in one sitting. Not at lunchtime, anyway. So, let's take a look at the end result of all those cattails. Right here, a really magnificent tasting soup. Cattail rice, super tasty. And look at those leaves, roasted leaves. If you are on a gluten-free diet, this could be a great alternative to having crackers with your soup. And back there are the pickles I made. But these have to sit in the fridge for 2 or 3 days before I can enjoy them. But that's okay. I just wanted them out here to show you that from a few cattails, look at all this food. Although there's a lot more in the kitchen. But just wanted to show you some serving sizes. Cattails. How to harvest. How to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support.